Good morning, dear students. This is the revision of chapter 4 of your civics, that is understanding laws. Already we had done this chapter. Now we will revise this chapter again. So under this chapter we will cover all these topics, that is do laws apply to all, rule of law, Sedition Act of 1870s, then Rowlatt Act, how do new laws come about, Domestic Violence Act 2006, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, controversial laws. So let's start from the first topic, that is do laws apply to all. इसका मतलब क्या है? क्या laws सबके लिए apply होता है? Yes, the answer is yes, the laws do apply to all. Means all are equal in front of law. No one can be discriminated on the basis of caste, creed, religion, gender or any other factor. Even if neither the government nor the president of our country, means all are equal. A common people, the president, the prime ministers, the government official, all are equal in front of law. Even if a crime or a violence of any law, for the same crime, the punishment will be the same, whether he is the president of the country or whether he is a very common man of the country. Means same violence के लिए, violation of laws के लिए, same crime के लिए punishment भी same है. उस टाइम कोई भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन नहीं होता है कि he is the president of the country, so he or she should be punished less, or he is a very poor common people of the country, he or she should be punished more. This is not like that, because laws are equal for all. All are equal in front of law. Next आता है rule of law. What is the meaning of rule of law? Rule of law means laws are the supreme. No one is there above the law, and the country should be governed, should be ruled according to the laws. And some historians thought, there are two groups of historians. One group thought that the rule of law was introduced in British India or colonial India by the Britishers. ये जो rule of law है वो इंडिया में किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था? कुछ historians के लिए, कुछ historians believe, some historians believed that the Britishers, they introduced rule of law in India, but there are another group or other group of historians who believe that rule of law was not introduced by the Britishers in India, but the Indians, they played a very major role to introduce the rule of law in India. For support of their view को support करने के लिए, those historians, second group of historians, they gave various example. जैसे कि उन्होंने बोला था कि British rule itself is an arbitrary. Arbitrary means random, not equal for all. To establish that point, they had given two examples in our book. One is Sedition Act of 1870s, another is Rowlatt Act of 1919. So ये जो Sedition Act of 1870s है, what is the Sedition Act of 1870s? Under this Sedition of Act 1870s, anyone finding, protesting the government or criticizing the British rule would be put into jail without any trial. बिना ट्रायल के अगर कोई भी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को क्रिटिसाइज करते थे या प्रोटेस्ट करते थे, दैट पर्सन वुड बी पुट इनटू जेल विदाउट एनी ट्रायल. मीन्स ये सबके लिए इक्वल नहीं था. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एन सेडिशन एक्ट ऑफ 1870s. इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ arbitrariness of the British rule or British law. Second example is Rowlatt Act. which was passed in 1919. इसमें भी सेम है, कोई भी उस टाइम India was fighting for independence. The struggle of independence was there. Indians were struggling for independence. So the Britishers, they introduced Rowlatt Act, and under this Rowlatt Act, any political leaders, any person could be put into jail without any trial. So these two are the example of arbitrariness of the British rule itself. That is why the second group of historians, they thought when the British rule is itself arbitrary, so they did not establish rule of law in India, but the Indians, they played a major role in establishing or in introducing rule of law in India. So in the next video, we will discuss the rest points. Thank you and have a good day.